All right, so on your pie, I noticed there's like a little tiny sliver on conic sections, which is just graphing a circle. So I thought I'd do a quick little podcast on that. If this is your xy axis, this is the formula of a circle that's centered at 0, 0. And the reason it's at 0, 0, there's no shift here. And then this is r squared. So you have to square root that to get the radius. So basically that would be a radius of 3 every direction from 0, 0. So I know there's a point there, point there, point there, point there, and I can draw my beautiful circle, and actually that's probably one of the better ones. All right, now if there's a shift, you're going to see that in your x's, so and your y's. So if I have like x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals, say, 16, all right, kind of like when you shift parabolas in algebra and do transformations, things like that. The shift is whatever causes that to be 0. So a negative 3 causes that to be 0. So instead of being at 0, 0, the origin, it's going to be shifted negative 3. And then what causes this to be 0 is the shift on the vertical axis. So this was negative, so it's a shift to the left. This would be a positive 2, so that's going to actually be a shift up. So if I go back 3 and up 2, that's actually where the center of this circle is. And again, it has that same format of, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And again, there can be a shift in here. So it could be x plus something, y plus something, or x minus something, y minus something, and then r squared. So I just use the shift, a negative 3 causes 0 here, positive 2, 0 here, to get where my origin or what my center of my circle is now. So it used to be the origin, now it's shifted over here. Now, the square root of this is 4, so I would go down 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be over here, 1, 2, 3, and again, I know my hash marks aren't perfect. All right, and then on this way, I would also go back 4, and up here, I can do that one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I can put a dot up here. This one's kind of off the computer a little bit. All right, but what I could do then is connect. You can see where I'm connecting over there, but that's okay. You can get the gist of it. All right, so under the conic section pi on your Alex, that's basically how you would graph a circle. So if it's in this form, it's pretty much, you just square root this, and that's the radius around the origin. If it's shifted, whatever causes 0 here is your shifter on the x, whatever causes 0 here is your shifter on the y, and then again, the square root of that tells you the radius. All right, that's it.